Hi guys, good morning. This is Ankush and welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I have been posted how to calculate day over day changes in Tableau like this. If it is the minus, the whole thing will be red. If it is the positive, the whole thing will be green. So how can we do this in Tableau? So today I will show you how to do this. In the data set, I have been posted in comment below. You can follow along with me. Okay, so let's get started. So this is very simple data set. This is the car sales. You can also check it from the data.world. You just search car sales, you can get the data. But if you don't want, so I can provide you the data set as well as. Yeah. First, we need to create the latest day. I've already created the calculation, but I will show you. First, you have this purchase date. If you refer the new data set, just you need to go to purchase date, right click and create the custom date. Here, make it here only day, and here you can select for the days and make sure you select the date values, not the date part. Okay, once you hit that, so the date calculation is created like this. Okay, this is the first step is done. Let's go into the second step. You need to create the latest date based on the date. So this is my latest date calculation. This is a simple LOD. Just give that latest day name here and make it max day sales like this. Open parenthesis, close parenthesis, right? Make and day, which we have calculated right now. Okay, that's it. After creating the latest date, now move to the third step, which is previous day. This is also very simple. Just give that previous day the latest day minus 1. Okay, latest day minus 1, which gives you the previous day date. Okay, the board done. 1, 2, 3. First is day, second is the latest day, third is the previous day. This calculation is created. Now let's move to another one. After creating this calculation, now we need to find out the latest day sales. Here you go. So I'm converting int day, which is day, equal to my latest day, here is times sales price. Sales price you can find here. It is already available in the data set. Okay, so what I'm saying, int day equal to my latest day int sales price. So give me that latest day sales, otherwise give me the zeros. I'm looking only for the latest day sales. I'm not interested in previous day or other day. That will be true if the latest sale is available here. Okay, this is the calculation saying. Let's move to previous day sales. Same, int day equal to previous day. Previous day we have calculated here, times sales price. Sales price is there. Okay, day is calculated first, latest day second, previous day third, fourth is latest day sales, fifth is sales previous day. Okay, created. Now sales day over day. So very simple, like latest day sales, which we have calculated right now, latest day sales minus sales previous day, and make sure take care of aggregation both using the sums. Okay, otherwise you forget to put in the sum, you'll get the aggregation non-aggregation calculation. So make sure you put the sum in both the calculation. Okay, then now sales day over day percentage. just we have created this sales day over day like this, and some sales previous day. So this gives me the percentage. Okay, hope you can understand this calculation. Okay, if you not, just comment below, I can show you how to calculate it. Okay, so I need to refer this one. Make it copy from here and to sheet. Select everything which you have calculated. This I will tell you positive and negative and just hold down, and this. Okay, exact date. This I need to drag it here. I'll arrange this, no issues. Okay, so after creating all the calculation, you just select the created calculation, drag it in the text. Okay, after dragging in text, paste your the latest day sales. This is my latest day. Okay. Yes, okay. After creating all the calculation, drag it on the text. After text, you can arrange as per your requirement. So my latest day will be the up, and sales is my heading. Sum of sales latest day, I make it a big, and this is my day over day changes and the previous day. Okay, so make it here. This is, and the one thing is pending, how to calculate. If it is the minus, it's showing the red. If it is the positive, it's showing blue or the green as per your color requirements. Okay, make sure if they all are calculated, go to tooltip and disable that, because no need to show. If someone hover over to show that extra information on the dual information, if it is already calculated, already you can see the sales latest day and the previous day. Okay, just disable the tooltip. positive and negative change, there is a sign function in Tableau, which is sign function will do that. The sign function will assign the negative number and the positive number. Okay, I will show you. Once you created a sign function, it will go in the measures, but you need to convert it into discrete. After converting discrete, just put it in the color shelf. Now, if it is -1, you can arrange, you can set it color with your preference. For as of now, I make it a red for the -1, and positive, I can just in positive I can make it a green. Okay, and go to this new car. A false value is already there in data set, just make it a true. Okay, we are testing out for the new cars only. As of now, you can see the green, which is the positive. Okay, let's hide this, and so let's check if it is working or not. So not the purchase date. Okay, drag purchase date and make it a month. Alt show filter and make this in a context. Okay, let it be in single value drop down list. Okay, see, if it is a January, this is the minus sale, which is red. See, if it is March, it is the positive sales, that's why it's green. Okay, this is very good KPI if you wanted to highlight something, if you wanted to like drag your attention from your the client side, the stakeholder. Okay, this is the red, this is the minus, and you can also do this is the one thing. And I in the previous video, what I did, I just make it a square and make it a drag. So now if it is Jan, it's showing the red. If it is the positive, like positive will be March, November, and December. You also observe that the date is also changing. This is the this is the latest day, and this is the previous day. Okay, and this is the changing, the percentage change, and this is my the sales. Okay, you can observe that. Okay, so you can create like this. Your dashboard, if you create this kind of KPI, it will show like this. I will show you. Okay, suppose that this is your dashboard, and I bring back in the new car and remove this new car purchases. I'll do this. Need to convert it into context filter. Okay, it will look like this. After selection, the color will be changed. So that's it from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.